Hello students, welcome back to Atul Academy. This video we will learn about lines and angles chapter from NCERT book class 9. We are going to do exercise 6.3 in the video. This exercise is based on triangles. This exercise is based on triangles. The name is lines and angles, but yeah, a triangle has angles. So it's all about the properties of triangles. One property that you all are aware of is angle sum property. What is this angle sum property? As you all know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Second property that we are going to use over here is exterior angle property of the triangle. So what's this exterior angle property? I think you all know that if I have a triangle, let's produce this side over here. This is the exterior angle over here. This exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior angles. So any exterior angle is equals to sum of two interior opposite angles. So which two properties we are going to use? I'll again repeat angle sum property. We say it as ASP, where sum of all angles of a triangle. Let's say if you have A, B, C. So what that property says that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree, and whenever we write this, we always say ASP with that. You always have to mention the reason. That's angle sum property. Then exterior angle property, that this exterior angle is equal to sum of these two interior angles. If I talk about this side, the exterior angle, so this will be equals to this and this one. Let's produce this over here. Again, I have an exterior angle. There are three angles interior, so we will have three exterior also. So this will be equals to these two interior angle sum. I hope students that this two properties that we are going to use this in the exercise is very clear to you. Let us move to the questions. 6.3 question number 1. So in this question in figure 6.39, that's the figure side QP. This is the side QP and RQ. They are produced. What is the meaning of produced? Whenever you have sides being produced, if you the figure is given over here, but sometimes the figure is not given over here. So let's name is at PQR. So when they say that QP is produced, so from Q to P you will produce like that. If they say RQ is produced, so you will produce it like that. It's produced to some other point. So here QP is going over here to S, RQ is going over here to T, and they are making few angles. So the angles are also given. SPR is 135 and this PQT is 110. So let us solve what they are saying. They are saying that you have to find PRQ. You need to find this angle. So how to do this? So which property we are going to use over here in this figure? If you all see it, first you people try to do it on your own. If you are not able to do it, then see the solution. Pause the video, try to do it on your own. Now let us start how to do it. We see there are exterior angles given over here. There are exterior angles given over here, and I think I can find out this angle from here because it's being a linear pair. So I'll write PQT plus PQR is equals to 180 degree. Can I say that it's a linear pair? Because these are two angles being formed on a straight line, so linear pair. So angle PQR is 180 degree minus angle PQT. PQT is given to me 180 minus 110, so that comes out to be 70 degree. Clear? Now I have this angle as 70 degree. I need to find this angle. If I see over here, I think we can use exterior angle property here. There are two ways of doing this. One is you find this angle also and use angle sum property to get it, or you use exterior angle property. So you will say in triangle PQR, angle SPR is equals to angle PQR plus PRQ. What will I write over here? Exterior angle property. Clear what I did, students? I have used exterior angle property that this angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So this angle is 135 degrees. PQR I just found it's 70 degree. I have to just find PRQ. So what will be PRQ now? 135 minus 70. So let's subtract. 5 minus 0, 5. 13 minus 7, 6. 65 degrees the answer. So we got the angle. We got PRQ as 65 degree. Hence done. Another way that I was saying is, I can find this also using linear pair. So what will be this P? 135 and 180. So 180 minus 135 when you do. So that's 5. And that's 7 minus 3, 4, 45 degree you will get it as. Now using angle sum property, you know that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is 180 degrees. P is 70, no sorry, P is not 70, P is 45, Q is 70, P is 45, Q is 70 degrees. So R will be what? R will be 180 minus 45 plus 70. You can find it out. So 45 plus 70 is how much? That's 150. You minus it. So that's 5 and 7 minus 1, 6. 65 degrees. It is also coming the same thing. So it's up to you, whichever method you want, you feel is easy, you can use that. Is it clear, students? Now can we move to the next question? And whenever you solve, please write the reasons why this is equals to that, why it is sum of two angles and everything. So second question is also an easy one. You have in this figure 6.40, angle X is 62 degree, XYZ is 54 degrees. YO and ZO are the bisectors of these two angles, XYZ and XZY. I hope you all know the meaning of bisectors. So bisectors, what do? They divide the angle into two equal parts. They divide the angle into two equal parts. It means if I say that there is x, y, z is divided into two equal parts, so these two parts are equal. So I can say that this x, y, z is equals to x, y, o plus o, y, z, and these two are equal. If these two are equals, x, y, o is equals to o, y, z. So I can say it as twice of o, y, z. So this OYZ is equals to 54 degrees by 2, which is how much? Which is 27 degrees. So its OYZ is 27 degrees I have. Now I got this. I need to find out what? I need to find out this angle also. I have not calculated it. So this is very easy. In triangle XYZ, you would have done it first also. Angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree. That's angle sum property. So angle Z will be equals to 180 degree minus, what is X? 62. What is Y? 54 degrees. So what is 62 plus 54? You can add it, 116. So this will be how much? 180 minus 116. So let's subtract. So this will be how much? This will be 4 and 7 minus 1, 6. 64 degrees. Now Z is 64 degree. The same way I can say, let me just keep it down because need more space for this question. Yeah. So I have got now angle Z. So now again angle OZY will be what? That will be angle Z by 2. Half of that, which is 64 by 2, and that's 32 degree. It's similar to the way I did over here. Same thing. I have these two angles now. Let us consider the triangle YOZ. Now I have this as how much? This much is 32 degrees. I have to find out this angle of the triangle. So again I'll use the angle sum property. In triangle YOZ, angle OYZ plus angle YOZ plus angle OZY, 180 degree angle sum property. YOZ I have to find out, so that will be 180 degree minus 27 plus 32. So what is 27 plus 32? that you can find it out here. So that's 9 and 59. So 180 degrees minus 59 degrees, how much it is coming out to be? An obtuse angle. It's coming out to be an obtuse angle. So let's see what it comes out to be. 1, 10 minus 9, 1, 7 minus 5, 2, and 1, 121 degrees. So Y or Z comes out to be 121 degrees. I hope this is clear to you all. Fine, students. Let's move to the next question now. I'll just keep more space for all the questions because they need a lot of more space. Because when you keep on solving the steps, it takes space with proper steps. Okay, now let's move to this question. Here in this question, figure 6.41, AB is given parallel to DE. So this line AB is parallel to DE. So whenever you have parallel lines, you will have all the properties, all the angles of parallel line like alternate interior angles, corresponding angles, co-interior angles. So we have to take care of all of them. So CDE is 53 degrees. You need to find out DCE. This I have to find out. Now, as it is seen over here also that AB is parallel to DE, and if I check, this AE is the transversal. Clear, students? It is a transversal. You know what is a transversal? A line which intersect with both the parallel lines. It is known as transversal. So A is that. So this angle BAC or BAE is equals to DEA. Can I say DEA or DEC? The reason is alternate interior angles. This angle now is equals to 35 degree. Clear? You have to mention the reason when you're solving. Now this is done. Now I'll use what? Triangle sum property. In the triangle DCE, I have angle D plus angle DCE plus angle E. That's equals to 180 degree angle sum property. So what will be DCE from here? 180 degree minus angle D is 53, angle E is 35 degrees. So how much is that? When we add, it's 8 and 8, 88 degrees. Okay, and when I subtract, 10 minus 8 is 2 and 17 minus 8 is 9. So 92 degrees the answer, and we got D, C, E. I hope that's clear. Clear, students? Any doubt till here? Please practice them with proper steps. Now let us move to the next question. I think this is also an easy question. You can see over here that we have to use again parallel lines only in this. This figure is quite not taking much, means it's taking too much of space. So let's just, okay. Figure 6.42, we again have lines. They're intersecting lines, yeah. PQ and RS. So whenever we have intersecting lines, I think you all know we have what type of angles over there? We have vertically opposite angles. Yes? So please remember all the concepts that you have done in 7th grade of all lines and angles and everything. Now we have angle PRT given as 40 degree, RPT 95 degrees, TSQ 75 degrees. I have to find out this angle. I have to find out this angle. So that's, I think, easy. If you can think, it's quite an easy question. So I'll use first in triangle PRT, I can use angle sum property. So let's do that. Angle P plus angle PRT plus angle PTR 180 degrees angle sum property. I have to get this angle T. So angle PTR is equals to 180 minus angle P is 95. This is 40 degrees. So let's add them and find out. So that's 5. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 180 degrees. So what is the answer for this thing? 10 minus 5 is 5. 7 minus 3, 4. 45 degrees. So this comes out to be 45 degree. This comes out to be 45 degrees. Now there are two ways of doing. One way you use it vertically opposite angle 45 degree, then angle sum property, done. Fine. Another way, you find this out to be a linear pair, find this angle, it will come out as 135. Earlier also you added that it would have been 135. And then from 135 subtract 75, you will get using exterior angle property. So whatever is easy for you, whatever comes to your mind first, use that. Okay. Now I'll go to triangle TSQ. So here also angle STQ plus angle S plus angle Q is 180 degrees angle sum property. I'm using angle sum property, not exterior angle. That would have been a shorter way otherwise, yeah, more easier. But more, I think for most of the students, first thing comes in mind is always angle sum property. So I'm doing using that only. So 180 minus STQ I got as 45 degrees. Angle S is 75 degrees. So let's add it. What is it comes out? So it's 180 minus 0 and 120. So it comes out to be 60 degrees. I hope that's clear, students, because it's 120, yeah, plus 60. Correct. So angle Q or angle, so I got SQT as 60 degree. That's the answer. Clear, student? Any doubt? I hope now you can check also over here. The other step was that this angle PTS could have been 95 plus 45 degrees, which is how much? 140 degrees. Okay, because of the sorry, not 140. I think I wrote it wrong. Let me just erase it and correct it. This was 40. Yeah. So that's 40. So 135 degrees. Okay. Now this was 135 degrees. I could have used exterior angle property. So 135 minus 70 again would be 60. So this comes out to be 60. That was the exterior angle property. Okay. Fine. Now let's move to the next question, students. This is the last one. Let's do this one first. Okay. Now here. Here again it's easy thing only. You see the figure. This is figure 6.43. PQ and PS, they are perpendicular. Perpendicular means the angle between them is 90 degree. That you all can see also. PQ is parallel to SR also. They both are parallel also. That's also an easy thing over here. Now, QRT is given 65 degrees. Find the value of X and Y. It's an easy thing. How an easy thing? Now, PQ and PSR. PQ parallel to SR. Okay. And I can say QR is the transversal. QR is whenever parallel lines there, na, just check if you see alternate interior angles or no. If you check this QR, that's a transversal. PQ, if you produce is also, that's parallel. Now, so this angle will be equals to this angle. So angle QRT is equals to angle PQR. What's the reason, students? It's alternate interior angles. Okay, what is this? Alternate interior angles. Now, QRT is 65 degrees given to me. PQR is what? That's x plus 28. So I'll get x from here. Yes or no? X is 65 minus 28. So subtract it. 15 minus 8 is 7. 5 minus 2, that is coming to be 3. 37 degrees. So x, I got the value of x. What is this x? 37 degrees. X is 37. I think I have to find only y now. I have a triangle over here. What is the triangle name? Triangle name is PQS. If you talk about this triangle PQ and this one I'm talking about PQS, I have angle P plus I have angle X, I have angle Y. They all are what? 180 degree sum because they are in a triangle, three angles of a triangle. So what will be my Y now? 180 degree minus 90 minus 37 degrees. So let's just check out what is it. Sorry, this is plus. You'll add them both. 180 degrees minus 7. 9 plus 3 is 12, 127. So 10 minus 7 is 3. And 7 minus 2 is 5. So 53 degrees. Clear, students? 53 plus 37 is 90 only. We can cross check also. Yeah, that's correct because some of the angles of triangle should come out to be 180 only. So clear, I used alternate interior angles and I found the value of this x. Using x plus 28 is 65. And then x I got, I use the angle sum property to get the value of y. Clear, students? No doubts? Fine, then let's move to the next question, last question of the exercise. Very important question, kids. Please mark it as important. Okay, because here you don't have to find any angle, you have to prove something. Okay, so proving questions are quite very important. Whenever you have questions which have figures proving, draw the figure, write what is given to you. Fine. But this question, I think, yeah, you can write what is given to you. So let's see what is given to us in this question. What can you say about the given things? That this QT is the bisector. So if I say QT is the bisector, what do you mean by that? Angle PQT is equals to angle TQR. Can I say that thing? Then RT is the bisector. If RT is the bisector, PRT is equals to TRS. That is also given to you. Fine. What do you have to prove over here? What do I have to prove? That angle QTR. This angle QTR. This angle is equals to half of angle QPR. Where is QPR? This. This is half of this. So how we will do it? So let me just tell you this question. If you see, if you look at this whole angle, can I say that this is an exterior angle of triangle PQR? Yes. So yes, we will be using exterior angle property in this question. Okay, students. So in triangle PQR, I will say that PRS, angle PRS is equals to angle PQR plus angle QPR. Clear, students? Can I write it like that or no? Fine. Now this PRS is equals to angle PRT plus angle TRS. Yes, because this has been divided into two equal parts. So I'm just writing it. Fine. Now what is this PQR? This PQR is also PQT plus TQR. Let me write it as QPR only. Fine. Now I'll change it. What is this PRT? Both are same. Can I write it as also TRS plus TRS? Because I wrote it that they are equal. Yeah. Fine. I'm using from here now. Okay. And then this PQT is equals to what? It is equals to this PQT is equals to TQR. Yeah. I'll write it as TQR and TQR plus angle QPR. Fine. This is twice of TRS and this is twice of TQR. That's QPR. This I'll say I have done it from 1 and 2. Got it? Okay, students. Now, if you look at the figure, I'll write that part over here. In triangle QTR. Let's talk about this triangle now. Here also the exterior angle property, I think I have not mentioned over here. The exterior angle property. Writing reasons is important, students. Yeah. So that's why I'm mentioning it. Here also, let's do one thing. I'll take the figure down and solve it. The next part solving here. Okay, so that it's clear. So I'm doing in triangle QTR. What do I have in triangle QTR? I have angle TRS. This angle. Can I say is equals to this angle and this angle? Yes. Again, the exterior angle property. This is equals to the sum of this and this. Okay. So is equals to angle TQR plus angle QTR. What reason again? Exterior angle property. Meaning the exterior angle is equals to the sum of two interior opposite angles. Now this TRS like this. Can I write it as TRS minus TQR is equals to what? QTR. Fine, kids. This was my third equation. From here, I'll just bring it over here. 2 TRS minus 2 angle TQR is equals to QPR. Fine. Can I take 2 common? It's TRS minus TQR. Fine. Now, what is this TRS minus TQR? That's QTR. We are going to use it over here. Now, fine. So you can say that twice of angle QTR is equals to angle QPR. Let's change the order of these. I will not say this as 3. I will say what I got over here as 3. Okay, fine. I will say that not over here. This equation that I got, I'll just little bit change this. This is my third equation. This was in triangle QTR. Okay, so from 3, I'll say that from 3 and 4, what do I get? The twice of QTR is equals to QPR. From here, I can say that this QTR is equals to half of QPR. Clear, students? Hence, proved. I hope this is clear because this was the most important question. I'll just brief up how I did it again. I only used exterior angle property over here as the bisectors were given. QT was the bisector of PQR. So I said that PQT equals to 2PQR. Then RT was the bisector of angle PRS. So I said that PRT equals to TRS. Fine. Then I used triangle PQR and I said that PRS, angle PRS is equals to PQR plus QPR. This PRS is equals to PQR plus QPR exterior angle, sum of these exterior angle property. Yeah. Now I can write this PQR as twice of TQR. You can directly also write it. Okay. Then PQR is twice of TQR. I just explained, I wrote it like that. And PRS is twice of TRS. Okay, bring this over here, take 2 common. So TRS minus TQR. But this TRS and TQR, their sum is equals to this TRS. This TRS is equals to this plus this. Okay, exterior angle property again in this triangle. So now I rearranged it and I got the value of QTR as TRS minus TQR. So I substituted back over here and I got this, that twice of QTR is equals to angle QPR, and then here you can take this 2 down. So QTR is equals to half of angle QPR. Hence it is proved. So we finished this exercise over here, students. I hope you understood it very well. You don't have to just look at the video, you have to keep on solving it together with I am solving, okay, and then you have to practice it again. Once you do it, it's not that you are comfortable with the questions. Previous questions are easier because you just have to find the angles, okay, but this question you need to learn proper steps and write proper reasons. Clear, students? I hope everything is clear. Okay, so I'll be coming up with other video in which we will solve other exercises. Okay, so keep on watching the videos, keep on practicing maths. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.